Hello viewers, this is Life Essential Health Channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to balance the body energy by ear massage and tapping the entire body. Massage is very important. It helps to balance all the energy in the entire body. Our ears, the outer part of the ear, is known to have all the corresponding important points to the entire body organs. Massaging these particular points help in better nerve conduction and better circulation to different organs of our body. Massaging ears establishes body's energy level for maintenance at rest, physical activities, movements, and also for food digestion, absorption, and transport the nutrients to different parts, and then storage also. Next 6 points: kidney, gallbladder, liver, spleen, pancreas, lungs, and heart. It brings overall balance to the body, emotional balance, and also the energy balance right from the ear itself. Is the fastest way to achieve a balance of energy through these 5 organs. The top part help in the reproductive functions. Longevity point help the natural rejuvenation of the body. The sides help fight the skin inflammation and reduction of acne. Near the earlobe helps the eyes and relieves the eye fatigue. There are points for releasing tension and aches, toothaches. The bottom of the earlobes help cope up with the nicotine addiction and alcohol addiction. It's known as a smoke point. This top is kidney, gallbladder, spleen, liver. There's heart on the top and lungs in the middle, and pancreas in this. These are allergy points. There's a Shenman point here, pain relieving point, longevity points, skin inflammation point. There's eye fatigue, the eye area. This one, the lower, clears the addiction to nicotine or alcohol. Hand massage. Palm of one hand on the back of the neck, sliding side to side, 6 times side to side. Do the same with the other hand. Massaging at the base of the neck from backward to front relieves the numbness in the extremities. Going with circular motion with the fingertips around the base of spine to the base of the skull relieves headache, dizziness, and prevents the oxygen starvation too. This is the coolness point. You can slide your thumb from the side of neck at the bottom of the earlobe, behind the earlobe. It normalizes blood pressure, heart rate, and it known as the balance point. On the other side also as well. You can do to the other side of the neck, all the way behind the earlobe and down on the side. The balance of power or energy. Start on the side of the palm, on the head, in between the eyebrows, on the side of the, below the eye, below the nose, on the chin, clavicle bones, behind the arm. Start from the anxiety point, on the head, in between the eyebrows, in the other eye, above the eyebrow, behind the eye, below the nose, the chin, clavicle bones, and under the arm. Pressing there in between the eyebrows with round circular motion for 60 seconds. 10 seconds you can press for one time and release, press again. It really is the key point for lowering your blood pressure. Also on the temple area, you similarly press for 10 second release, 10 second release on both the sides. There is a heart point, there is a liver point, there is spleen point under the liver point. You can massage all these areas, and gallbladder is on the side of the nose. Kidney point is on the cheekbones. Below the earlobe is the balance area. Take fist with the hands. Tap it on your kidneys 7-8 times on each side. Extend the arm with palm facing downward and start tapping from underarm all the way to the hand, and come to the top of the hand and towards the shoulder. Tap it all the way to your shoulder. Similarly, repeat with the other arm. Tapping after the exercise or as such after a long walk, it's kind of metabolic intervention and balance the energy, tensions or stress, muscular spasm, pain. Start tapping on the side of the hips, go all the way downwards on the leg on the outer side towards the feet, then turn inside from the feet upwards all the way to the thighs, up all the way to the abdomen. So these smooth, harmonious transitions from extremes is balanced, positive and negative, and which is very important along with balancing between all the organs functions. So ear massage at all the points makes you a balanced physiological and balanced personality with a good emotional behavior, attentive, confident, efficient, productive in everyday activities, and you can live a happy, healthy life. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for video notifications.